Okay, so here we have a very old Carrier air conditioner. It was installed in 1974. I have the original paperwork, including the brochure. They called this the Carrier Compact. It's a 3-ton unit. It's 2010 now, so that means it's in service for 36 years. Runs perfectly. Fairly quiet. Cools a 2,000 square foot house beautifully. We just put a fan capacitor in it this year. The fan motor stopped running. That was a pretty cheap fix. But other than that, it has had no major problems. No loss of refrigerant. Again, it runs great. 36 years old. There's a tag on the other side. Can't read it anymore. But it's a 3-ton unit. Back in 1974, and it's now 2010. Gotta love a Carrier. If it ever goes, I'll definitely buy another one.